Okay, got some convection going up there, about 150 kilometres southwest, maybe less. Even to our west-southwest we've got an anvil or two. Nothing showing on radar though. At the moment it's all over the snowy mountains, so I think you can safely go a bit further west, maybe to Gunning. Okay, it's 3:30 PM. We're northwest of Canberra. This one's doing a fair bit of rumbling, and it's slowly moving this way, but it's forming over the Brindabellas, and basically east of the Brindabellas it's just all anvil. So according to the Canberra radar, this has a black core down near southwest of Belconnen, which is that direction. Okay, we're about 20 kilometres north of Canberra. The challenge is to get as close to Canberra as possible without going into it. I have sussed out a road called Wallaroo Road. New South Wales, yay! Back in New South Wales. No shortage of cloud to cloud rumbling though. You'd think that cloud feature there in the middle would start to throw a bolt or two, but no. Nice little needle of a rain shaft there, or it might be just a bit of a wind convergence type thing. Okay, no CGs, let's go down and see if we can get closer. It's heading this way. It's coming. Lofty looking thing there towards our southwest. Might have to head back because I've got a feeling this will come awfully quick our way when it does. Yeah, there's hail falling out here to our west. Show you. got hit by outflow. No doubt there's a hail core in there. We're probably going to have to retreat with our tail between our legs very shortly. It's only 2 centimetre at the moment. We should be able to get out of it with a bit of luck. Damaging size, but they're pretty solid. They're not breaking up into ice. Severe storm here, no doubt about that. I think you can hear sea hail streaks. It's just going west of me, so I think I'll escape onto the road fairly easy. I think they call this the Barton Highway. It runs from Canberra to Yass. Low rumbling. Geez, if it was night time it'd be a light show, but unfortunately there's no one spot that you can focus on. We'll escape the hail, but if we don't move along, we'll probably go into it again. Oh, there it goes. Hail starting again. About 1 to 2 centimetre. Probably slide out of it soon, hopefully. Need a bit more northerly option again. Otherwise we'll be back into this hail. Okay, we're back into it again. Back into the hail, back into the wind's not that bad actually. Not big hail, 2 centimetre at the max. Currently near Murrumbateman, which ironically was my target for the day. Like an absolute gale here, just north of Murrumbateman. It's looking a bit out. Oh, it's still got base there, but probably lost that hail look about it to a certain degree. Nice black base there, but it's kind of detached itself now from the rain core. Still powering on this storm, but we're here at Gunning. It seems to be just on its last legs, if you ask me. But it's still probably got hail in it. If we pan around here looking south, to the west, that's more fresher development actually. That might actually do something. Blowing an absolute gale here. It's going to rain in a minute. Look how quick that cloud is moving. It's coming out of the core of the storm. Very wind-sorted rain at the moment. It's just almost like a fine drizzle, but the core is probably down there 3 or 4 kilometres, that's why. Be interesting to see if it's still got hail and that in it actually. Oh, I think that was a little hailstone then. Is too. Baby hail. Well, more than baby. It's still baby hail, but ooh. Well, that is interesting. That is looking south, and that cloud is now feeding into the storm. When we looked at the models last night, it did seem to suggest there was a bit of hillicity north of Canberra. Now, I wouldn't call it rotation, but all of a sudden we're no longer in outflow city. Well, this is unusual. We've got winds from the north behind us, even northeast. We've got that cloud streaming in from the east. It's like pockets of wind all over the place here at the moment. No defined area of rotation though. That's very interesting now. There's a big rain core behind that. Again, not quite rotation, but very interesting nonetheless. Bloody wind's changed direction again. Got rumbling everywhere now. That's looking kind of west, and if we look up to the north, we're getting rumbles out of that stuff. Has weakened off, but we've still got that kind of area of interest over there. Just lots of general rumbling now. That raincore is getting closer too. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to like and even subscribe, or click on the link to watch another video.